How to print on-demand books with Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So if you're familiar with print on demand, you usually use some things like Printful or Printify, but this is not really going to work with books. So instead you want to go for an app, which is, if you just go to the Shopify App Store and look up Lulu Direct, and you should be able to find this one right here. This is the app that we will need to install. It's basically just for books. It's just going to allow you to sell books and print your book internally and also the cover of it as well. So just make sure you find Lulu Direct from your Shopify App Store and click on install. So we're just going to start off by creating an account for Lulu Direct. So you simply just want to click on don't have an account, sign up from the top right corner. And you're just going to fill out this basically the information here and click on sign up once you're done. So once you actually sign up, this is going to basically connect your Shopify with your Lulu Direct. So they're going to be connected right away. As you can see, my store from Shopify is going to say the name of your store. And now we will start with our projects. So we can just click on my projects from the top here. And we're just going to go ahead and click on start your project. Next up, we're just going to select print book, and we're just going to select print your book, not publish. And then for the book details, obviously you just want to add the title of it and also the language of the book and the category of it. Once you're done, simply click on design your project. So for the design, first we will need to upload the PDF file for the book. Make sure you follow the requirements in here. And if you want to really read more about how to format your PDF, you can feel free to read the PDF creation guide. So once you're done, you simply just want to click on upload your PDF file and upload it in here. Next up comes the specifications and the design aspect of it. So you're going to find the book size and the page count. You can feel free to see that in here. And now we are just going to change a few things. For example, the standard color option, premium black and white, standard black and white, and so on. And also the paper type. I'm just going to pick at random at this point because this is just a tutorial and this is just going to really depend on you and your book and how you want it to be. So I'm also going to select this one. You have hardcovers and so on. It just depends on the book because right now I just uploaded a 2-page PDF. So obviously I'm not really going to have all the options available. Okay, so it really just depends on the book that you actually end up having. Also, we have the cover finish here. You can go for glossy or matte. But I'm just going to go for that one. And we also have now the book cover design. So you can download the template. So here's the template. So all you need to do really just replace the safety margin is going to be basically where you want to have your cover. Bleed area, you simply just want to have the edges, and then you also have the barcode area. So just use Canva for this. It's very easy and simple to use. You can just use Canva. Use this template and just upload your image front and back. Once all of this is done and you actually upload your cover, you are just going to go down and click on review book, but it may take a few seconds here to so yeah, okay, there's the book preview. You're just going to go ahead and see everything that is working perfectly fine and click on review book. So here are the specifications and everything. And you are just going to go ahead and click on confirm and publish. Finally, once you actually end up finishing up your project, you simply just want to go back to my stores and actually publish the product to your Shopify store. So just scroll down to your store, Shopify, click on that and add a product right down here. Click on add product, select create new product and select the project that we have just created. You're just going to go ahead and give it a name and a description. And you're just going to add the store list price, also keeping in mind the print cost here for it. And it's basically just going to calculate everything for you, the revenue and so on. So you can just click on add product once you're happy with it. And that's it. If you just go back to your Shopify, you should be able to find it and even adjust the description and so on if you want to really do that from here. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.